So in this video you should learn how to understand the woman in your life. First 1. Consider biological differences. Women and men have slight differences, including studies suggest that women have a slightly sharper sense of smell and vision than men do. This is a possible explanation for why women are considered to be more detail-oriented. Women are more likely to recall memories that have emotional significance. Be careful what you say to her in the middle of a fight, because she may never forget it. Women menstruate once a month for 4 days, on average. Menstrual cycles affect each woman differently, and can cause mood changes, hormone fluctuations, physical pain, lethargy, nausea, increased appetite, and heightened emotional sensitivity. While some women experience little to no pain at all, others become close to bedridden during this time of the month. Don't underestimate the physical strain of a menstrual cycle. Women are more likely to lose interest in sex due to emotional factors than men are. These may include problems in the relationship, coping with loss or death, and so on. Second 1. Recognize the social pressures that women face. A woman experiences sexism, including pressure to be feminine, and roadblocks to success that men don't experience. However, men are subject to similar issues, where they are forced to conform to the height requirement needed to be satisfactory to the female. She may be stereotyped, underappreciated, and pushed away from fields that are considered masculine. Girls are socialized to be obedient, well-behaved, quiet, submissive, good girls. While a woman might rebel against some of those pressures, they probably continue today. And rebelling too hard may have social consequences, for example being branded as a disgusting feminist or passed over for a promotion because she is too aggressive. Women may experience additional pressure and hardship for being a person of color, LGBT, disabled, heavy, lower income, and more. Third 1. Accept that all women are different. In your life, you will know sporty women, geeky women, fun-loving women, artistic women, ambitious women, and more. Each woman has her own personality and goals. Overgeneralizing can be dangerous. Don't mistake one woman's behavior as a universal female characteristic. Just because your sister doesn't like sports doesn't mean that your new girlfriend doesn't. Number 4. Observe her. The best way to understand somebody, male or female, is to spend time with them and observe their patterns of behavior. Doing so will teach you things like what upsets her, what excites her, what annoys her, and so on. Pay close attention to her, and be patient. While one woman might show you exactly who she is immediately, another woman might only show you certain sides of herself as you get to know each other.